Hello, dear students. It's now long to be in front of you. Now I am with a few more controversial JEE Mains question 2021. Now let us jump to the questions. Here, this is the first question. This question is from simple harmonic motion. Time period of simple pendulum is T. The time taken to complete 5/8 oscillations starting from mean position is alpha by beta t. The value of alpha is, here this is numerical range type of question, and there are no options. We have to write numerals, and NTA key was given. Range is 5 to 5.001. Now let's check the solution. 5/8 of oscillation is equal to 1/2 plus 1/8 of oscillation. Here it's 5/8 of either net distance traveled, that is 5/8 of net distance traveled in one oscillation is 4a, that is 5a/2 if a is amplitude, or 5/8 of net time period, that is phase change of 5/8 of 2 pi, that is 5/4 pi radian. Let's take first case. Till net distance traveled be 5a/2, for which adjacent phasor is drawn. Now here, what is angle theta? We can see in the right angle triangle of phasor, sin theta is perpendicular a/2 by hypotenuse is amplitude. It implies theta is equal to pi/6. Therefore, pi plus theta is net angular rotation of phasor in time t, that is equal to omega t. It implies pi plus theta is pi/6 is equal to omega is 2 pi by time period into t. It implies t is equal to 70/12. Thus alpha is equal to 7, 14, 21, etc. Let's take second case. 5/8 of net time period, that is phase change of 5/8 into 2 pi, that is 5/4 pi radian. Then t is equal to 5/8t. Then alpha will be equal to 5, 10, 15, etc. Thus we have multiple possible values of alpha. Now let us jump to next question. The volume V of a given mass of monoatomic gas changes with temperature T according to the relation V is equal to K T to the power 2/3. The work done when temperature changes by 90 Kelvin will be XR. The value of X is equal to what? This is again numeral based question, and here we have to find X. Now let us come to the solution, which is given as process is V is equal to K T to the power 2/3. It implies V to the power 3/2 is equal to K to the power 3/2 into T. It implies T V to the power minus 3/2 is constant, that is equation 1. And basic equation of polytropic process, or here let us compare it as adiabatic process. TV gamma minus 1 is constant, equation 2. From 1 and 2, minus 3/2 is equal to gamma minus 1. It implies gamma is minus 1/2. Thus work done is equal to nr delta t by gamma minus 1. Here what is n? I have taken 1, then it is 1 into r into 90 by minus 1/2 minus 1. It means modulus of work done is 60R, or X is 60, but here number of moles nowhere mentioned or anything given to find it. We got our answer as per NTA key by keeping n is equal to 1. Now let us come to the next question. It is assertion region question. Assertion A and region R. Assertion A, angle subtended by object and image is same on I by magnifying glass. Reason is given, that is assertion statement. Reason is given. Magnification is achieved as the small object can be kept much closer to the eye than 25 centimeter, and hence it subtends a large angle. In the light of above statements, choose most appropriate answers as per option given below. option 1 A is true but R is false. Option 2 both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Third, both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Fourth, A is false but R is true. This is multiple choice assertion reason type of question with single option correct. NTA answer is 3. Now let us check the solution. Here we are exploring the solution. Reason statement is ambiguous. As in simple microscope, object is kept between pole and focus, which may be much closer to eye. Means here what we can say, this reason statement, it is not 100% correct. Further, this reason statement not necessarily explaining assertion, that is angle subtended of object and image is equal in magnifying glass. So answer must be, I think, 1. Now let us come to the next question. The charge Q is placed at one of the corner of cube as shown in the figure. The flux of electrostatic field through the shaded area is first Q by 4 epsilon naught, second Q by 24 epsilon, third Q by 48 epsilon naught, fourth Q by 8 epsilon naught. This is a multiple choice question with single option correct. NTA answer is 2. Now let us check the diagram. Here this is the Q, shaded region is shown. It is half of the two faces, X, Y, Z axis are shown. Let us consider it as free space. NTA key is 2. What is solution of various institute? That these two triangles combine to form one face of the cube. Flux through total cube is Q by 8 epsilon by symmetry, we know that. Flux through the surface ABEH, ADGH and ABCD will be 0, while through EFGH, DCFG and EBCF is 1/3 of Q by 8 epsilon naught, that is equal to how much? Q by 2 epsilon naught. Okay, Q by 24 epsilon, sorry. This is same as sum of electric flux linked with triangle EHF and triangle EFC. This is solution given, but where solution wrong? Up to here, triangle EHF, electric flux linked is phi 1 Q by 8 epsilon naught is okay. Is half of flux linked with EFGH. But due to symmetry, electric flux linked with triangle EFC is less than Q by 48 epsilon naught. Here is where we are totally wrong, where they have considered it as half Q by 48 epsilon naught in various coaching center solution. This is the wrong way to deal. Please like, subscribe, share and write comment, as I will regularly publish conceptual hidden concept questions. Thank you very much.